Bitcoin setting up for a massive 30% dump. Before this, it looks like we're going to get a 20% pump though. Stick around. You're not going to want to miss this. I'm going to show you what the chart is setting up for. This is Elliott Wave theory. This is Chart Junkies. My name's Alex. I'm here to give you a little bit of clarity while you're viewing these charts. Keep you at an even-headedness. Throw me into the mix of YouTubers that you watch. You will not regret it. We use Elliott Wave theory. If you don't know what Elliott Wave is, it's linked in the description below. It's also linked right here. And then at the end of the video, you will see another link for my crash course. Watch it. Let's get right into this. We're wasting no time. So ultimately, on a semi-larger time frame here, I am looking for a structure like this, and then a 30% dump down. That's the wave structure that I'm looking at, guys. That's what looks good to me. You better believe everyone and their mother has the same trend line drawn. There's no possible way it's going to come down to this trend line, in my opinion, and hit off of there and make all your retail people money. It's just not going to happen. This trend line will get broke, and it will get broke sometime soon. In my opinion, we're correcting here. We're going to come down, break this trend line, and it's going to fake everyone out. We're going to come up, bust this high, fake everyone out again, and then come down and break the low. By Elliott Wave standards, what does this look like? What are we dealing with here? Simple, very simple. Now, guys, this doesn't have to happen. This is just an idea. Out of all of the guys, I stare at these charts all day, every day. It's what I do. I count Elliott Waves all day, every day. It's what I do. So you get kind of good at predicting kind of what's going to happen and what the probabilities are. In my mind, this is a completed flat right there. That's done. I have a correction here. I have a starting wave here. And then we have another correction. I feel like it's going to correct, so we're going to have a flat here. And it's just one large correction. Big impulsive wave down, bust this low. And that's just setting up another corrective wave up. So ultimately, you'll have this. It's a correction. That. Okay. It's just what looks good to me. This obviously is a major corrective area, a major corrective structure. Let's go in a little closer here and take a closer look. This video is going to be quick. There's really not much to say. It's simple. What I have developing here is an impulsive wave off the top right there. Okay. Here, I'll even put your counter down there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. There's your impulse. Now, what do we have developing? Guys, call me crazy, but I think that's what we're looking for. This right here is going to kind of zoom up kind of quickly, come up to this area, maybe up to the 30,000 area. That looks good. I'd be looking short right there. If it decides to creep higher, I'd be looking short up here. Anywhere in this area, I'm looking to short. Let me draw you a box. We're short the market right there. We are short. Okay. That is anywhere from like 29.7 upwards of 30,400. I know that's a big target, but I don't have general price targets. I analyze the wave structure, and that's when I decide to get out of the trade or not. I count the waves, and that's it. Like here, you knew your fifth wave was finished. You knew to get out. Neither here nor there. Let's keep going. And then I'm ultimately looking, after this finishes, for this to come and break your trend line right there. I think this is going to be a major fake out, guys. I do. I think everyone has this trend line drawn. It's not tricky at all. I want to see a fake out, and then I want to see one last boom. That's what I want to see. Now, long story short, I don't care so much about what's going on this far in the future. What all I'm cared about is right here in the immediate term. And right now in the immediate term, guys, I am long from right here. If you watch my previous videos, I was long from right here. Got stopped out, got right back in. Okay? I didn't take profit here because I thought we had a chance of this being some type of flat right there. Ultimately, we're going to get up to these targets, but it's just going to take longer to do it. That's all. In my opinion. Okay? So in the short term, what I'm worried about is I want to see how this wave develops. Maybe something like that. And I'll be really paying attention once we break this high. If we break this high, I'm going to really be paying attention up here. Once I feel like the wave's done, I'm going to flip short and ride this puppy down. Now, when I go short and if we get this wave down, this trend line's pivotal. It's scary because I feel like if we break the trend line, and we might as well just come down and break this low here as well, right? Might as well come down to these lower targets. So it's not for the faint of heart, but you just got to go against the crowd. You know, everyone's going to be longing this trend line and having their stops here. So what are you going to be doing? Shorting this trend. Well, I wouldn't short the trend line, but I'd be shorting up here, playing for a break of the trend line, and longing where everyone's stops are right here. Also shorting where everyone's stops are right here. Right? That's how the game's played. Trade safe, people. Thanks for watching. I'm going to keep you updated as the week progresses here. We'll see what we got. We got some news coming out tomorrow. Trade safe. Love you. Thanks for watching. Bye. Peace.